Okay, next is question number 3. Figure 3.1 shows the apparatus used for the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous sodium chloride using graphite electrodes. So the formula for concentrated aqueous sodium chloride is NaCl aqueous, and the ions that are present in the solutions are Na positive, Cl negative. From water we have H positive and OH negative. So let's move to the first part. Label the cathode on figure 3.1. So cathode is a negatively charged electrode. It means it must attach to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is the negative terminal. So we have to label this side as cathode. Part B. Explain why concentrated aqueous sodium chloride conducts electricity. So when any compound conducts electricity, it means it has free moving ions. One important thing that I have to mention here, do not write the electrons in your answer because this is an ionic compound. For ionic compound, we always write a word ion if that compound conducts electricity. So this is an ionic compound, so we will only write the word ions. And one important thing, the ionic compound only conducts electricity either in the molten state or in the aqueous state. It means if examiner asks you next time why the solid sodium chloride does not conduct electricity, so we will write as it has no free moving ions. Okay, now let's move to the next part. C, part 1. Name the product formed at cathode. So at cathode, we have two cations, Na positive and H positive. So we have to prefer only one. So among the two, the hydrogen will be discharged because it is below in the reactivity series, so we will prefer hydrogen. So when hydrogen discharge at cathode, so H positive, it gains electron to form hydrogen. But the correct formula to write hydrogen is H2, a diatomic gas, and to balance the equation, we have to write 2H plus and 2 electron. So it means the product at the cathode is hydrogen. And if you see here, examiner use the term name. So we have to write a name, not the formula. If any one of you write the formula, it will not be accepted. So be careful. Okay, part 2. Chlorine is formed at the anode. Construct the ionic half equation for the reaction at anode. So we have the chloride ion, Cl minus. When this ion discharged at anode, it will release electron to form Cl, but the correct formula to write the Cl is Cl2, a diatomic state, and then we have to balance the equation 2Cl minus and then 2 electron. So the correct answer is 2 chloride arrow Cl2 plus 2 electron. Okay, part D. Graphite is suitable as an electrode because it conducts electricity. One information is given by the examiner. Now the next is state one other property of graphite that makes it suitable for the use as an electrode. So another property why we prefer the graphite is that this is inert. Inert means unreactive. Now the last part E, state the product formed at the cathode when molten sodium chloride is electrolyzed. Molten means pure melted state. It means only liquid is there, no water is added. So if we have only liquid, it means we have Na positive and Cl negative as ions. And here examiner is asking about the cathode. So the product would be the sodium containing species. So it means sodium will be discharged at the cathode and it will form sodium as element. So the product name is sodium. For your information, I am writing the equation here. Na positive gains electron to form Na, and this time we don't have to write any number with Na because it's a metal and monoatomic state.